The FlexStand Pro aims to be a game changer for your workspace, offering an all-in-one monitor stand that caters to both work and play. Let's explore its features and see if it can truly revolutionize your desk setup. Ergonomic Design. The FlexStand Pro prioritizes ergonomic comfort. Its adjustable height ensures that your monitor is at the optimal eye level, reducing strain on your neck and back during long hours of use. Whether you're working, gaming, or streaming content, the ergonomic design promotes better posture and overall well-being. Electric height adjustment. With an electric motor, the FlexStand Pro allows effortless height adjustments. You can easily raise or lower your monitor to find the perfect viewing angle. Say goodbye to manual adjustments. This stand adapts to your preferences with just a touch. Space-saving solution. The compact footprint of the FlexStand Pro ensures it won't clutter your desk. It frees up valuable space for other essentials. Whether you have a small home office or a dedicated gaming setup, this stand keeps things organized. Universal compatibility. Unlike traditional monitor arms that require VESA-compatible monitors, the FlexStand Pro accommodates all monitor models. No matter the monitor's backside configuration, it sits securely on the stand. Say goodbye to compatibility worries. This stand works with any monitor. Stability and durability. Crafted from high-quality materials, the FlexStand Pro provides stability and durability. Your monitor stays secure, even during intense gaming sessions or busy workdays. Invest in a stand that lasts. This one is built to withstand daily use. Cable management. Tangled cables are a thing of the past. The FlexStand Pro features built-in cable management, keeping your workspace neat and organized. No more tripping over wires. This stand ensures a clutter-free setup. Here are some of the pros and cons of the FlexStand Pro. Pros: improved ergonomics, space-saving design, increased productivity, seamless work-to-play transition. Cons: limited availability, compatibility, cost. Overall, the FlexStand Pro presents a promising solution for those seeking a versatile and ergonomic monitor stand that adapts to both work and play environments. However, considering the potential limitations and researching its compatibility is crucial before making a purchase decision. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.